Hello everyone, this is Sherwin here from TechOS, and today I'm going to be recapping the Apple event that has just ended, which was the Gather Around event of September 2018. So this event was basically for two main product categories, for the Apple Watch and the iPhone. So I'm going to go over both of those in this video. So firstly was the Apple Watch Series 4. Now, the Series 4 is perhaps the biggest update we've seen to the Apple Watch since it launched, as it's the first model that actually gets a proper redesign. So with this new watch you get a larger display, and the way it works is that the watch is actually physically smaller, but the bezels have been reduced, and the way it looks is that you've now got a rounded display, just sort of like how the iPhone X is, so where the display kind of stays parallel to the enclosure, as you can see right now. So this allows for more information to be visible on the watch face, so the watch face has been redesigned to reflect that, and this increase in screen size means that everything on the Apple Watch is much easier to see. So one of the other features of the Apple Watch Series 4 is the redesigned digital crown, which effectively gives taptic feedback just like an iPhone 8's home button. One of the other major parts about this new Apple Watch are the new health capabilities. So basically, there are a lot of things going on to do with the heart. So it can now detect whether you may have certain heart conditions based on your heartbeat and the regularity of it. So if it detects something not quite right, it will suggest something and suggest you go to see a doctor. It's now got fall detection thanks to some new sensors inside. So it can detect if you've had a fall, and then it can automatically prompt you to call the emergency services. So that's basically the Apple Watch Series 4. Series 3 is sticking around at a reduced price, but the new Apple Watch Series 4, which is also available as a Nike Plus edition and a Hermes, which will come later on, it starts from £399. So it's about the same as Series 3 was when that was new. So moving on to the main part, which most people were looking forward to, are the new iPhone. So this year we've got 3 brand new iPhones from Apple, and they began by announcing the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. And effectively what these are, as the name suggests, being an S upgrade, updated versions of the current iPhone X lineup. So what we've got is a 5.8-inch display on the iPhone XS and a 6.5-inch display on the iPhone XS Max. So this is the first iPhone with a screen that large. The screens, obviously, they've improved them, so they've actually got a better depth to them, and they're a bit more vibrant. And they've also got some stronger glass on the front. Water and dust resistance is now IP68 versus IP67. And the iPhone is now available in a new colour, which is a sort of gold colour, which is new to the iPhone X lineup. Face ID has been sped up with some new algorithms to help everything run more quickly and for it to be able to unlock your phone more quickly. And all this is thanks to the intelligent A12 Bionic chip. So this chip is even better than the A11 Bionic, which was already incredibly fast and by far the best chip on a smartphone. It's got 50% faster graphics performance, an 8-core neural engine versus just the dual core from last time, and it's got a new performance controller as well as more efficient cores to help everything consume less power than before. The cameras have also been improved, as with every iPhone, so we've got the same dual camera system, same 12 megapixels. However, the portrait modes have been improved by using not just software but also intelligent hardware. So that's basically the iPhone XS. The iPhone XS Max, of course, is a bigger version of it, and both of them have improved battery life. Now, in terms of pricing, you can get iPhone XS with the 5.8-inch display from the same £999 as last year, and you can get it in 64, 256, and now a new 512GB option. For the iPhone XS Max, the price starts at £1,099 for 64GB and goes up to 512GB at £1,449. So that's the pricing for the new iPhones. The iPhone XR is basically an iPhone which is the aluminium body of an iPhone 8 with obviously the glass back, but with an LCD display. However, the difference here is that it goes from edge to edge just like an iPhone X. So it's got Face ID just like an iPhone X. However, it's only got a single lens camera. However, they're able to use software to create the same depth of field effect, so you get that effect as well. and it's got the same A12 Bionic chip inside as the new iPhone XS and XS Max, so you're not getting any less performance, but it's obviously a cheaper version of the iPhone X lineup to help more people get into it. Perhaps the main reason, other than the omission of an OLED display, is the fact that it doesn't have 3D touch, but Apple have got haptic feedback instead to help you compensate for that. And the iPhone XR starts from £700.